Morning, this is call number 2015-22402 in the interest of Jason DeSay and Larique Robinson. All parties, please raise your right hand to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, can y'all hear me?
Miss Robinson,
Yes, I'm here.
did you hear me?
Yes, sir. I can hear you guys. I don't know, for some reason my signal is bad, but I can hear you guys.
All right, raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir, I do.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the children.
Lasagna Robinson. I'm the mother.
And for the state,
Angela Jeffries for the Office of the Attorney General, Your Honor.
court will note that the non-custodial parent, Frank James Robinson, is not present. He was personally served on March 8th, 2021 at 2:01 p.m. at 5911 Doolittle Boulevard in Houston, Harris County, Texas. Uh, he's not filed an answer, correct?
He is not, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Your Honor, he was also given further notice
He was.
of today's hearing.
I don't have a copy of that, or do I? Maria? Okay, I do have a copy of that. The court will note that Mr. Robinson was given further notice of this Zoom hearing by certified mail return receipt requested, which was delivered at 1:52 p.m. on May 1st, 2021. We'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Your Honor. At this time, I would ask that the court take judicial notice of the prior order. In the prior order, the court ordered Frank James Robinson to pay $0 in child support on August 31st of 2016. In that same order, the court ordered that Mr. Robinson pay $25 for medical support beginning October 1st of 2016, Your Honor.
All right, will do.
At this time, Your Honor, I would also like to offer into evidence what is marked as State's Exhibit A, the updated pay record in this case, Your Honor.
Mr. Robinson, have you seen the updated financial activity report, pay record?
Yes, sir, I have.
And do you have any objection of me admitting that into evidence?
No, sir, I don't.
Then State's Exhibit A is admitted.
Thank you, Your Honor. The state calls Lasagna Rachelle Robinson. Ms. Robinson, you are the mother of Jason, Josiah, and Lyric Robinson. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
All right. And for Lyric, who do you allege the father of Lyric is, ma'am?
Who did I what? I'm sorry.
Who do you allege the father of Lyric is? Who is her? Who do you say is her father?
Oh, Frank Robinson.
Okay. And have you ever held out that anyone else was Lyric's father other than Mr. Robinson?
No, ma'am.
All right. And you took private DNA that showed that Mr. Robinson was her father. Is that correct, ma'am?
Correct.
All right. And in line with that, are you asking this court to find that Mr. Robinson is the father of Lyric at this time?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now for Jason. Jason is deceased at this point. Is that correct, ma'am?
Correct.
And when did Jason die?
He passed October 30th, 2020.
Okay, so you understand that as of today, he will no longer be a part of this order for all intents and purposes to set in child support. You understand that, ma'am?
Correct, I do.
All right. Now, as far as conservatorship, are you okay with co?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Are you okay with this court appointing you as a joint managing conservator with Mr. Robinson?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Now, do you currently reside in Harris County, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Well,
What county do you live in, Ms. Robinson?
Fort Fort Bend County,
Okay. And what county does Mr. Robinson live in?
Harris County, borderline Fort Bend. We're like borderline right there on the line. However, they have these
Okay.
lines going.
Okay. Do you understand that you'll be geographically restricted to reside in Harris or contiguous county, meaning Fort Bend County? Do you understand that, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When's the last time Mr. Robinson seen his children, ma'am?
Saturday.
Okay. Would you have any issue with this court ordering a hand of possession order in this case today?
No, ma'am.
As far as the pay record, you helped me admit that into evidence, and it showed that technically Mr. Robinson does not owe any arrears on child support, medical support, or dental support. Is that correct, ma'am?
Correct.
And are you seeking any back or retroactive or back pay for Lyric at this?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you're not seeking retroactive for child support, medical support, or dental support. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Correct.
Do you know where Mr. Robinson currently works at, ma'am?
I do not.
Do you know if Mr. Robinson has any other children biologically under 18?
Not to my knowledge. I do not know.
Okay.
I'm
Do you
not
have any?
aware if he ever had.
Okay. Do you have any private health insurance available for your two children, ma'am?
No, ma'am.
Do you know if Mr. Robinson has any private health insurance available for these two children?
Not to my knowledge. No.
Okay. Do you understand that the child support and the medical support will be off a minimum wage presumption?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you asking this court to order that Mr. Robinson pay $75 beginning July 1st of 2021 for cash medical, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking this court to set child support at $266 beginning July 1st of 2021, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And if court calls the bill in this case, who do you believe the court should bill?
Father, the dad.
Okay. And you've signed this default order, Ms. Robinson. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And you believe this order to be in the best interest of your children?
Yes, ma'am.
And you're asking this court to approve this default order at this time. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I have nothing further for this witness, Your Honor. I pass the witness.
All right, the court will approve the order submitted. Thank you very much.